Unleash the Kraken Z63 AIO cooler from NZXT. Their latest all-in-one liquid cooler is unlike anything else on the market. Featuring a built-in LCD display so you can completely customize the look of your CPU cooler with GIFs and cam data. Featuring powerful cooling from a 280mm radiator, a 7th gen Acertech pump, impressive socket support and an amazing 6-year warranty. To find out more, click the link in the description below. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com. Now my last video when it came to talking about giveaways wasn't exactly the most pleasant one, but you guys were actually really understanding about it all and you kind of saw where I was coming from. So I'm really thankful for that. So we went back to the drawing board and we decided, are we going to run giveaways or are we going to stop them completely? And we've decided, I'm sure many of you are going to be happy about it, that we are going to carry on with giveaways, but we are going to do it completely differently. As opposed to the way that we did it with the $1,000 gaming PC, where you kind of had to do all the stuff through Gleam, as in following us on Twitter and visiting us on Facebook and doing this on YouTube and this on this social media, that on that social media. While it was great for kind of social media presence and getting our numbers up and stuff like that, it really did attract the wrong kind of people. So instead, we're going to do things a little bit differently. And that's where we've teamed up with Seagate. And they've actually given us 3 IronWolf 110 SSDs. So yeah, they're all 960 gig. Admittedly, they're more aimed towards the NAS market, but you are going to get blistering fast speeds of 560 megabytes per second read and 560 megabytes per second write, I believe. So, okay, 560 and 535. Either way, it's going to be a nice little upgrade for anyone. And while they are, I guess, aimed at the NAS market, these are going to work perfectly fine in any computer. And you know that you're going to get that extra kind of protection that you would from a NAS drive in terms of kind of the backup facilities and things like that, being part of the IronWolf NAS, I guess, family. If you want to find out more about these drives, there's lots of information on the Seagate website. I'd definitely go and sort of recommend you to go and have a little look there. But I'm guessing the main thing that you guys want to know is how do you actually go about entering this? Well, we have got a link in the description below which will take you through to the eTeknix website where everything is pretty kind of easily explained. And all it really is actually joining our Discord server, taking a picture of your system and also of your drive, whether that be a hard drive, an SSD, any type of drive that is in your system, and then explaining to us why you think you should be the winner of one of these drives. And as you can tell, because I have got 3 of them, there are going to be 3 lucky winners out there. It is, as always, open worldwide, and I have actually put a few rules on it this time for anyone asking if it is open worldwide, because Jesus, that was getting a little bit old on the last competition. So that's pretty much it, really. Hopefully you guys can kind of appreciate, you know, that we are wanting to carry on doing the giveaways because we have got a lot of brands who want to do giveaways with us and get their products out there. And Seagate are, I guess, the first one that we're going to be doing something with. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. And yeah, good luck on the giveaway. See you soon. Cheers.